Salmon are an important source of food for many animals, including people. Although salmon are superheroes, salmon need help being saved.
There are 5 different kinds of super salmon. Although salmon are superheroes, salmon need help being saved.
Salmon are amazing as they live both in fresh water and salt water, cold and dryness. Although salmon are superheroes, salmon need help being saved.
Salmon have a special life which goes from egg, almond, fry, small, and then to adult. Although salmon are superheroes, salmon need help being saved.
Yes. Okay. Salmon eggs are soft and jelly-like, but provide everything the baby needs as the mother does. Although salmon are superheroes, salmon need help being saved. When salmon are born, they have their own lunch box on their stomachs to provide them food. Although salmon are superheroes, salmon need help being saved. Salmon are super and swim 1,000 to 2,000 miles to get to the ocean and back up the stream. Although salmon are superheroes, salmon need help being saved.
Salmon are super. They have a special sense to help them find their way back to where they were born. Although salmon are superheroes, salmon need help being saved.
Only about 1 out of 100 salmon make it back to where they were born. Although salmon are superheroes, salmon need help being saved.
Salmon die after spawning, allowing their bodies to go back to help the earth. Although salmon are superheroes, salmon need help being saved. When salmon die, they help the trees, which give us air that we all need. Although salmon are superheroes, salmon need help being saved.
Only 6% of the original salmon species are still alive. They have been overfished and need protection. Although salmon are superheroes, salmon need help being saved.
You can help salmon by walking on the trail and not in their habitat. Although salmon are superheroes, salmon need help being saved.
You can help salmon by not hurting bugs, as that's what they eat. Although salmon are superheroes, salmon need help being saved.
You can help salmon by saving electricity, which would mean the need for less dams and better rivers for salmon. Although salmon are superheroes, salmon need help being saved. You can help salmon by saving water. Although salmon are superheroes, salmon need help being saved.
You can help salmon by not being wasteful. Although salmon are superheroes, salmon need help being saved.